तुम 1500 बंदे कहोगे कि जी हम इसको ले जाएंगे, तुम्हारी अगली 10 नस्लें भी नहीं लेके जा सकती। Inshallah, you will see that we will beat the hell of these terrorists very soon. Indian army, with all their wherewithal, if they cannot intimidate us and they cannot coerce us, these terrorists can subdue the armed forces of Pakistan. I'm really humbled to see the sentiment that you have shown towards the armed forces. And I'm extremely grateful to each one of you for these sentiments and for these emotions that you have for us. Our sentiments and emotions for you, they're even stronger. You're not only the ambassadors of Pakistan, you're of course the warriors, the soldiers of Pakistan. You are the light of Pakistan, which shines onto many countries of the globe. And the way that you are contributing for your country in the form of the remittances, investments through multiple channels, that show that how much of love that you have for your country. हमारे beloved जो overseas हैं, because आप एक different तहजीब में रहते हैं. Don't you ever forget that you belong to a superior ideology. A superior culture. जो इकबाल ने भी कहा था ना, अपनी मिल्लत पर कियास अक़वाम मगरिब से न कर, खास है तरकीब में कौम रसूल हाशमी. Our forefathers, they have sacrificed immensely, and we have sacrificed a lot for the creation of this country, and we know how to defend it. My dear brothers and sisters and sons and daughters, please don't forget this story of Pakistan. And don't forget to narrate this story of Pakistan to your next generation, so that their bond with Pakistan, it never weakens. Whether it is the third generation or the fourth generation or the fifth generation, they know that what Pakistan is for them. आज तक इंसानियत की तारीख में सिर्फ 2 रियासतें हैं जो कलमे की बुनियाद पर बनी हैं. पहली जो थी उसका नाम है रियासत तैयबा, क्योंकि तैयबा जो है वो नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने उसको नाम दिया था, और जबकि कुरान में उसका नाम है यसरब, या अहले यसरिबा ला मुकाम लकुम फरजिउ, ये कुरान में नाम है उसका, जो आज जिसको मदीना अल मुनव्वरा कहा जाता है. और दूसरी रियासत जो है वो उसके 1300 साल के बाद अल्लाह ताला ने ये आपकी बनाई है, कलमे की बुनियाद के ऊपर. Whatever little bit of the terrorism which is taking place in the country, and the people say, and the people they are mostly propagating, that with this kind of security situation there won't be any investment coming to Pakistan. Well, to them, they must hear me very clearly now. You think terrorists, they can take away the destiny of the country from us? If this great Pakistani nation and the Pakistani armed forces, if 1.3 million Indian army with all their wherewithal, if they cannot intimidate us and they cannot coerce us, these terrorists can subdue the armed forces of Pakistan. और बलूचिस्तान जो है, जो कि पाकिस्तान की डेस्टिनी है, ठीक है, जो कि पाकिस्तान के माथे का झूमर है, तुम 1500 बंदे कहोगे कि जी हम इसको ले जाएंगे, तुम्हारी अगली 10 नस्लें भी नहीं लेके जा सकती. Inshallah, you will see that we will beat the hell of these terrorists very soon. Balochistan, you think this 1500 people belonging to BLA and BLF and BRA, etc., can take away Balochistan from us? We have those brave fathers that who proudly shoulder the funeral of their sons and take them to the graves. Pakistan will not fall. And for as long as we have those brave mothers that who proudly sacrifice their sons for the sake of the country, Pakistan will not fall.